Not all abuse is physical, but all abuse is emotional. God doesn't call the qualify. He qualifies the call. A vision without a plan is an illusion. Fire does not pass a shadow. Challenge your mistakes. Persistence and determination alone are all powerful. A man is what he thinks about all day long. A law-abiding country is a peaceful nation. Ability may take you to the top, but only character can keep you there. In his heart a man plans his course, but the Lord determines his steps. Proverbs 16:9. Your attitude should be the same as that of Christ Jesus. Philippians 2:5. I can do everything through him who gives me strength. Philippians 4:13. Do not let your hearts be troubled. Trust in God, trust also in me. John 14:1. God is your refuge and strength, and ever-present help in trouble. Psalms 46:1. Dear children, let us not love with words or tongue but with actions and in truth. 1 John 3:18. Be faithful, even to the point of death, and I will give you the crown of life. Revelation 2:10. If you can't find God in prison, you will never find him anywhere. Nelson Mandela. Happiness is the meaning and the purpose of life, the whole aim and end of human existence. Aristotle. Happiness for any reason is just another form of misery. The Upanishads. The joy I have the world didn't give it, the world can't take it away. Shirley Caesar. Everything I have, I owe it to my mother. Abraham Lincoln. Things do not change, we change. Henry David Thoreau. We first make our habits, and then our habits make us. John Dryden. Most of the shadows of this life are caused by standing in one's own sunshine. Ralph Waldo Emerson. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change your attitude. Don't complain. Maya Angelou. The best years of your life are the ones in which you decide your problems are your own. Dr. Albert Ellis. We can never obtain peace in the outer world until we make peace with ourselves. His Holiness the Dalai Lama. The mind is its own place, and in itself can make a heaven of hell, a hell of heaven. John Milton. There is only one cause of unhappiness, the false beliefs you have in your head. Beliefs is so widespread, so commonly held, that it never occurs to you to question them. Father Anthony de Mello. We are disturbed not by what happens to us, but by our thoughts about what happens. Epictetus. If you let go a little, you will have a little peace. If you let go a lot, you will have a lot of peace. If you let go completely, you will have complete peace. Ajahn Chah. What a wonderful life I've had. I only wish I'd realized it sooner. Colette. I would rather have eyes that cannot see, ears that cannot hear, lips that cannot speak, than a heart that cannot love. Robert Tizone. If the only prayer you said in your whole life was thank you, that would suffice. Meister Eckhart. Appreciation and gratitude are a must if you choose to become the architect of increased happiness and your own fulfillment. Doc Childra. To forgive is the highest, most beautiful form of love. In return, you will receive untold peace and happiness. Robert Muller. Those who bring sunshine into the lives of others cannot keep it from themselves. J. M. Barrier. A sound mind and a sound body is a short but full description of a happy state in this world. John Locke. Tell me what you eat, and I tell you what you are. Antelma Savarin. We will be in tune with our bodies only if we truly love and honor them. We can't be in good communication with the enemy. Harriet Lerner. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. Albert Einstein. God is the friend of silence. See how nature, trees, flowers, grass grows in silence. See the stars, the moon and the sun, how they move in silence. We need silence to be able to touch souls. Mother Teresa. To make the right choices in life, you have to get in touch with your soul. To do this, you need to experience solitude, because in the silence you hear the truth and know the solutions. Deepak Chopra. The winds of grace are always blowing, but you have to raise the sail. Sri Ramakrishna. There are two great days in a person's life, the day we are born and the day we discover why. William Barclay. If you're not in the job you love the job you're in. Marcy Shimoff.